As Austin continues to grow, maintaining clean, safe, and healthy environments has become increasingly important for both businesses and communities. Encampment cleanup services play a vital role in addressing areas affected by temporary settlements, debris, and waste buildup. Professional cleanup services are designed not only to restore spaces but also to significantly improve safety for everyone involved. One of the most immediate ways these services enhance safety is through the removal of hazardous materials. Encampment sites often contain items such as broken glass, sharp objects, biohazard waste, and other dangerous debris. Without proper handling, these materials can pose serious risks to both the public and property owners. Professional cleanup teams are trained to identify and safely dispose of these hazards using specialized equipment and procedures, reducing the likelihood of injuries. Sanitation is another critical factor. Accumulated waste can lead to unsanitary conditions that attract pests and spread bacteria. In Austin's warm climate, these conditions can worsen quickly, increasing the risk of health concerns for nearby residents, employees, and visitors. Professional encampment cleanup services focus on thorough waste removal and sanitation, helping restore a clean and hygienic environment. In addition to physical hazards, encampment areas can sometimes create obstructed pathways and limited accessibility. This can make it difficult for pedestrians, employees, or emergency responders to safely navigate the area. By clearing debris and restoring open access, cleanup services improve mobility and ensure that spaces can be used safely and efficiently. Another important benefit is the reduction of fire risks. Encampments may include makeshift structures or stored materials that can become flammable, especially during Austin's hot and dry periods. Removing these materials and clearing the area helps minimize the risk of accidental fires, protecting both property and surrounding structures. Professional cleanup services also contribute to improved environmental safety. Improper disposal of waste can contaminate soil, water, and surrounding areas. Trained crews follow proper disposal guidelines to ensure that waste is handled responsibly and in compliance with local regulations. This helps protect Austin's natural environment while maintaining community standards. Safety is not just about physical conditions, it also includes creating a sense of security. Areas affected by encampments can sometimes feel neglected or unsafe. By restoring these spaces, cleanup services help improve visibility and overall site conditions, making the area feel more secure for those who use it. This is especially important for businesses that want to provide a safe and welcoming environment for customers and employees. Another advantage of professional services is their experience and efficiency. Attempting to handle encampment cleanup without proper training can expose individuals to unnecessary risks. Professional teams are equipped with the right tools, protective gear, and knowledge to complete the job safely and effectively. This ensures that all hazards are addressed properly, rather than partially or incorrectly. Timely cleanup is also essential. The longer an encampment remains unaddressed, the greater the potential for hazards to increase. Professional services respond quickly, helping to prevent conditions from worsening and reducing long-term safety concerns. This proactive approach keeps properties in better condition and avoids more extensive cleanup needs later. For property owners and businesses in Austin, working with professional cleanup services also helps ensure compliance with local guidelines and regulations. Proper waste disposal and site restoration are important for avoiding fines or legal issues. By partnering with experienced providers, you can be confident that all work is completed according to required standards. Beyond safety, these services also contribute to overall community well-being. Clean, well-maintained spaces encourage positive use and help maintain the appearance of neighborhoods and commercial areas. This creates a more welcoming environment for everyone and supports the city's ongoing efforts to maintain safe public spaces. In the end, professional encampment cleanup services in Austin do far more than remove debris. They play a crucial role in improving safety, sanitation, and overall site conditions. By addressing hazards, restoring accessibility, and ensuring proper waste handling, these services help create cleaner, safer environments for businesses, residents, and the community as a whole.